Hey, this is a short video to let go of any tension in your body and calm the mind. So let's just bring the hands over the belly. Breathe deep in through the nose, out through the mouth. Let's just do some conscious breathing. Feel your feet connected to the floor. Just arriving into this practice. Now let's stand up on our toes, lift up and release. Inhale. Gently warm the body up. Waking the physical body up and letting go of tension. So up on your toes and release back down to your heels. Really get your whole body involved. So let go of that tension. Release any stagnation, any old energy, just release it back down to the earth. Two more. Let's just take a moment to notice how your body feels. Now let's do some tapping up and down the chest. Breaking up any tension which is held here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And then just tap over your one side of the collarbone. Creating some space in the chest. And across to the other side. Now just bring both hands up, facing the chest. Gently close your eyes. And just feel into the space between your hands and your chest. And almost try and breathe into that space. Relax back down. And let's twist to one side. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, twist. When we inhale, we're straightening our legs, and we exhale, we're twisting the tension out of our body. One more to each side. Come back to the center. Now bring your hands to the sky, and we're just going to stretch to one side. Back down and stretch to the other side. Really open up into your side body. Creating some space in the lungs, in the chest, so we can breathe deeper, so we can take in more energy. One more, and relax your hands back down. And again, just check in, notice how your body feels. start to shake the body. So you shake your hands and wrists, move up into your elbows and shoulders, and then let's bounce on our knees and our heels. Shake all that tension loose from the body. Inhale through the nose, out through the mouth. And then slowly come back to standing. And again, notice how your body feels. Feel that tingling in your hands. Energy open and circulating. Now let's soften the knees slightly, bring the hands to the sky. We're going to inhale up to the chest. Turn the hands to face the sky. Exhale. Float your arms back down. Inhale up. Exhale. In through the nose, out through the nose. When we slow down the body, the mind follows. Body relaxed, mind still. And let's just find a nice flow here. Mind, body connected. Let's do one more. Bring it up to the sky. And let's bring all that energy back to the center. Bring the feet together and let's just take 3 conscious breaths to notice how you feel. Now bring one hand up and the other hand into a fist. Thank you for practicing with me.